sweeties? Are you enjoying your toys? You got your little squeaky toy in your arm. From Brian and Tracy. Yes. You got your little rattle here. See? Monkey and elephant.
You're really enjoying your time with her and everything. Let's just go with it, okay?
Okay. That's for Nona. What'd you say? Eclair? No. That's a fun toy, right? It's a little big for your mouth, though. That's the problem. It's a little, whoops, it's a little big for your mouth. This isn't too big if you need to chew on something. You wanna chew on this guy? Maybe his little ear? Here we go. It's okay. Oh. I know you gotta chew on something. Here, chew on this because it won't hurt. There you go. It doesn't hurt, right? Because it's soft. Oh, you did it! You made it squeak all by yourself. Oh yeah. That's right. Yeah. Okay. Hi, P. Do you feel like chatting? Do you feel like saying love? 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 Oh, a little tired and a little teething, or a lot of teething. A little tired. Is that better? Chomp, chomp, chomp. That helps a little bit. Chomp, chomp. Squeaky toy. Let's make him squeak again. There you go. Oh, he's easy to hold, huh? You like that. You like that. Whoops. You want to put it back in? There you go. You're a little tired. Maybe you want me to put it in? This is Marisa on August 9th. August 9th, 2009. 3 months old and 1 day. She's very good at holding things. And she's enjoying her toys. You want me to turn it around and put it in your mouth, or are you just playing? You're just getting to understand it? Or looking at it? Oh, how about this? How about I put it in your mouth and then you can take it out if you want. Whoops. Oh, a little tired. A little tired, maybe even more than a little. That's good. You could take a little nap. Take a little nap. Oh, a little nap. Oh, a little bit of a nap. There you go. Oh. Okay, I don't have to videotape you being tired. We don't have to put the camera on you for everything. Oh, it's okay, sweetie. It's okay, sweetie. Oh. There we go. Nap is coming. Nap is coming. Okay.